The SUMIFS is a function to sum cells that meet multiple criteria. But if you are calculating multiple condition as the same region, the formula returns 0. Here are the two solutions to calculate multiple criteria from the same criteria range. First, calculate sum for each region and add them one by one. But what if we have multiple criteria? It is difficult to add them one by one. So their second solution will be much easier for you to calculate at once. Put the multiple conditions that you want to calculate in each cell horizontally. Then use the SUMIFS function. Select the sum range and the criteria range argument. For the criteria argument, select the multiple conditions ranges that we put horizontally. Finally, use the Excel SUMPRODUCT function. It will calculate at once